This is the most asked question by new parents. How do you cut tiny little baby nails? It seems so daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are 5 tips to make trimming your baby's nails less stressful for both you and your baby. Number 1, get the right tools. As a pediatrician, I recommend baby nail clippers. They come in many different shapes and forms, but my favorite ones are the ones that have a little guard to prevent you from cutting too close to the skin. The other option is baby nail scissors. These are great if your baby has really thick, tough to cut nails. I recommend the kind with the rounded tip so you don't accidentally hurt your baby. Now, never use adult fingernail clippers or scissors. They are way too sharp and can really hurt your baby. Number 2, find the right position. Some babies like to be swaddled when you're doing their nails. Others like to be held securely in a sitting position. Experiment to find out what works best for your baby. One thing that's really helpful is having someone else hold your baby while you do their nails. If you're doing it by yourself, I recommend putting your baby down on a changing table or a firm surface so that you have a clear view of their nails and a good amount of space to work with. Number 3, choose the right time. Try to do your baby's nails when they're well rested and in a good mood. Avoid doing it right before a bath or a meal. And if your baby is over 6 months old and still has those little baby soft spots, try to do it when they are laying on their back so that you avoid slipping and hitting their head. Number 4, go slow and be steady. Take your time and be very careful. Don't rush the job. If you're nervous about cutting too close to the skin, you can always ask your pediatrician or a nurse for a demonstration. Also, if you are using baby nail clippers, only clip the white part of the nail. Never, ever clip the pink part, which is the quick. If you do clip the quick, it will hurt your baby and it will bleed. And if you are using baby nail scissors, be sure to cut with the grain of the nail, not against it. This will help prevent ingrown toenails. And no. 5, make it fun. Talk to your baby in a soothing voice. Sing songs, make funny faces. If you have a pacifier, now is the time to break it out. Once you finish, give your baby lots of praise and maybe even a little treat. Remember, it may take a few tries for you to get the hang of this, but you will get there. Just relax, take your time and enjoy the bonding experience with your baby. I promise the stress will go away and your baby will have nice, neat little nails.